Alright, here's my next steam engine. It's a mill engine. The bore is 2 3/4 and the stroke is 4 inch. Brand new. Cross slide guide. That's the old style. Really nice oiler. Swift oiler. Antique. But it looks like it's brand new. I've got the petcocks open right now. And I'm going to turn on the steam. I'll just leave the petcocks open just for a second and get the water out of the cylinders. Beautiful. Runs perfect. And like I said, this is a 12-inch boiler. I'm not selling the boiler on this video, I'm just selling the engine. Beautiful boiler. You can put a V-belt pulley on here, an alternator out here, and generate DC. 36 inches long is the total length. I think it's 22 inches wide and maybe 20 inches tall. If you use a V-belt pulley on here, you can get it like a 14-inch V-belt pulley, and that's 200 RPM on the engine and about 1,000 RPM on the alternator. Beautiful engine. Runs absolutely perfect. All of it for sale on eBay. Just search for steam engine off-grid and it'll come up on eBay. If you want to call me directly, my number is 206-948-0770. And you can contact me through my email, which is anacortesteam, all one word, anacortesteam@gmail.com. I just have a temporary hose from the boiler to the engine, but when you want to plumb it in permanently, just use some 3/8 pipe, and then the exhaust can go up the stack. There's the exhaust over there. Just right up the stack, and that'll create draft for the boiler. Really nice engine. Brand new. I have the castings, my patterns cast, and then I do all the machining on them. And stop is right here. I have 2 mills. A Bridgeport and a Southwestern computerized mill, and then I have a Morisiki lathe. Beautiful shop. It's a working shop. That's about it. Give me a call.